You must have your good points too.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Henry County in central Kentucky, Franklin County in central Kentucky, eastern Shelby County in central Kentucky, Scott County in central Kentucky, northern Woodford County in central Kentucky, northern Anderson County in central Kentucky until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Frankfort, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Frankfort, Lawrenceburg, Eminence, Midway, Pleasureville, Stamping Ground, Sadieville, Elmberg, Bryant, Hatton, Jest, Barnard Hills, Jet, Big Eddy, Josephine, Mobile, Petona, Lockport, and Duval. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page or tweet your report using hashtag #LMKSpotter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central Kentucky.
Still further into the future than I'd ever dreamed before.
Take shelter indoors. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued a weather bulletin. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for a portion of the viewing area. Remember, if a severe thunderstorm threatens, take shelter indoors. Stay away from windows.